All right, welcome to another demonstration from Jitterbit. In this demonstration, we're going to cover a product synchronization between SAP by Design to Salesforce. This will be done in Cloud Studio, and we will do a quick overview of our designer. And we will also get into the details of how the project was created and some of the components that are required. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and look at SAP by Design. And for that, we're going to go ahead and look at some materials, some batteries, single A, AA, and AAA batteries that are residing currently in SAP by Design. Let's go ahead and also look at our Salesforce instance and look at our products. There are currently 22 products in there, so let's do a quick refresh. And what we expect is once we kick off the synchronization process, we added from SAP by Design to the product name so we can see the difference as the products come across from SAP by Design into Salesforce. So let's go ahead and kick that off. Just keep in mind that this could be done in real time, or it could be done in batch. I'm going to kick off this process manually just for demonstration purposes, but the idea is I'm going to go ahead and run this project, and then once it's complete, I will go ahead and actually walk you through our designer as well as how this project was actually put together. So as you can see, this is right now in a running stage. Eventually, it will finish off, and if we go to our products page on Salesforce and we refresh our page, we actually see the 3 items that came from SAP by Design into Salesforce. So let's go back to our designer so we can show you how this product was put together. Let me close off this log. Basically, it's really 3 operations. One is reading the product from the SAP by Design. We are using our subconnector to consume SAP by Design WSDL. Once we call the appropriate API to grab the product, we store it for a split second before we actually use it to actually insert it into our Salesforce instance, and we're using our Salesforce connector. Once that is complete, we do also send an email notification. So quickly, I'm going to go ahead and show you that. You see that an email notification was sent. Just give me a little bit of a notification on the products that were added into Salesforce. So again, our design studio is on the left-hand side. You see all the workflows that you've created. On the right-hand side, you see all the connectors, whether they're custom connectors like Polivio that I've created myself, or out-of-the-box connectors that are available to you from Jitterbit. In the middle that's where you design your integration. That includes all the components that are needed to connect to different systems and also massage the data or send it to other systems based on success or failures. So as you can see in this scenario, we're first executing this first operation, then based on success, we're executing the second part of our integration, which is sending it to Salesforce. And if that is successful, we send a Salesforce email, so that way we can notify the user that was completed without any issues. We could very well have created a flow that says if any of these operations fail, go ahead and send a failure email to an email address that's provided. That's a very quick overview of integrating SAP by Design products with Salesforce. Obviously, you can do more complicated tasks within our designer, but this gives you a flavor of how we can integrate using Jitterbit Cloud Studio. Thank you very much, and see you next time.